turned it around and looked at me like, what was that?
So you do the same. Make sure you feel you can ride her forward in the trot with a little bit of bend. Don't let her get too swingy. There. Shoulders out a little bit. Push her, take her shoulders out. Do a couple straight lines. She gets kind of worse with that. If she's starting to do that, I would almost go to a big straight line again right away.
Just anticipating.
Yeah, she is.
I'm just going to swing my butt now, so in case you ask me, I'm ready.
So go rising trot. Go down the long side. Get a little lighter. Push her a little forward. There. Bring her back a little bit again. Sit back. Don't let her pull your hands away. That's it. Take her shoulders a little bit out with your left rein and then ride her a little forward again. Ah, there, like that. Exactly. Good, nice. Now remember the hands, really plant yourself. Keep your hands lower. Good, try to give a little. Try to give a little. That's it. Keep going. Keep going, hands down, inside leg. Good. Very good.